high-altitude mayonnaise that beats store-bought, light and creamy homemade mayonnaise, egg white, egg yolk, mixing cup, cream of tartar, storage, apple cider vinegar, sea salt, white vinegar, avocado oil, sweet paprika, drizzling container, emulsifier, add egg yolk to mixing container, add salt to the egg yolk, add vinegars to the yolk, add paprika to the yolk, mix and fluff the egg whites with your emulsifier and add cream of tartar to egg whites. Mix in well and froth the egg whites. Now emulsify the egg yolk mixture and slowly add half the oil. Continue emulsifying. Mix the egg white mixture with the egg yolk mixture. Slowly add the remaining oil and keep emulsifying. Put it in your storage container and refrigerate 5 to 7 days or thereabouts. Total yum! Full recipe tips and uses below.